Young, amazing, brilliant kids will make it to the professional level, but on the presumption that at least one of them will. This is the future of San Antonio's food scene. These are tomorrow's chefs. And the relationship and the respect that they have for food makes them leaders, honestly. And it's our hope and desire that they become influencers in their own circles, and that the city of San Antonio is only made better by what they've learned, what they've gained, and what they have to contribute to the rest of our community. So a big round of applause, please, for our chefs graduating. This guy and Mason were inseparable, and I think it's great. Yeah. I can see them in the food truck together. That is. Come on up, Mason. Well done today. All right. The other half of that food truck team. High five, sir. All right. All right. Samuel Peisman. Come on up, Sam. All right, and Kate Rickles. Come on up, Kate. Awesome. Those beautiful canapes are part of her handiwork today. Okay, Hallie. Oh my goodness, Hallie. Tell us what it is.
First stuffed trout line.
All right, first up, top line. There you go. All right, Hallie. Hey, there you go. Okay, Alex.